Hi sweeties, it's Tori and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how I package and shrink wrap my soaps that I make. And also I have a secret recipe that I tried for this new turmeric soap. I'm going to show you guys it today. We're going to have that big reveal, plus how I package and shrink wrap my soaps. So keep on watching.
She is my rock.
Okay guys, let's get right into this video. And today I'm going to show you how I package and wrap my soaps. And I'm revealing a new soap today. This is my turmeric butter soap. So I kind of wanted to see how this turned out and I will share it with you guys. I don't know yet. So yeah, this is it. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to flip them over and you guys get to see, like, can you see it? Yeah. You guys get to see it with me and experience all the goodness of the soaps. Let's go ahead and reveal these. All right, so I already sprayed down the table and put on gloves just to save time. So yes, let's go ahead and get into it. And you can use a paper towel like I have here and then just turn it over. Oh yes, they are gorgeous. Okay. Look at this. Oh, look. Look at how gorgeous this turned out. It sits with the yellow on the bottom because when you stir it, that's the top part. That's the way it sits in the mold. But I love how it turned out. Yes. See it? Okay. And they smell amazing too. Like they all, there you go. You can see that one. Yes, so these are my turmeric with shea butter. I mix another turmeric that's regular. So yes, they turned out perfectly. I'm happy with them. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how I wrap them. So you just take a bag and you just put soap in it. So basically what you're going to do is I like to lay them flat. And then the bottom, this is my top end. And then this is my bottom. So this is the top. Make sure you even it up. Get it as close to the bottom as you can. And voila. And then just fill the rest. And you just put it in. Like that. Make sure you get it, I like it at the bottom so that way it's corner to corner. And just like this. Make sure you get it as far to the corner as possible. Okay. That's 2. And these are the 6x6 bags. Yeah. And these are the shrink wrap bags. And yes, so I went on and did that one. Okay. We just wipe off this section. I spread, this is 91% alcohol because we about to work in that area. So you just make sure you go ahead and re-wipe down that area. So you let it get heated for a minute. As long as this lights up there. Set it there. Same for this one. So you're just going to take it. Make sure it's lit up. Seal the bag. That's the seal on it. Alright, and so once you do that, you just cut it on the line. Cut it. You just make sure it's down. As far as it can go. Then heat seal that. Okay, and cut the excess off. There we go. And last but not least, yes. And then this one, so they're all sealed. Okay. And then here, you can see it's sealed. All right. And just put it on the low heat and seal around, seal around, seal around, seal top, the bottom. Good to go. Right There it is. Okay. Alright, you guys, so look at how good they turned out. This is how I package and heat seal all of my soaps. And you want to protect your soaps once you go ahead and finish making them. You want to go ahead and wrap them. I always do. So this is the finished product. These are my turmeric soaps. I make 2 types, but this one is the first time I made this one. And yes, it turned out pretty good. So these will be on the website. You can check them out. I will link all the information below. Also, I have another one that I'm going to show you how I wrap, which is mine. So after I knew I wanted to make this, I set them aside and I want to show you mine's, the one I'm going to put for me. And I'm just going to wrap that in saran wrap because I'm going to use it. And the reason I made this one for me is because my skin is still a little too tan from when I went on vacation in August. So I need something to help bring the color back and just to protect my skin. This is mine. And oh my goodness, you guys, this looks so amazing. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It smells amazing as well. So what I do for me, because I don't put it in a bag and heat seal it, I just wrap it in saran wrap until I'm ready to use it. So I'll just take off a piece of saran wrap and from there just lay it down and just put it on here. Lay it flat. Like that. And I just take it and I just wrap it. This is just how I use it for me, because I will be using it. So I just wrap it regularly. Just tell you a little bit more about the turmeric and why I chose to make a turmeric soap is because the benefits of turmeric. It helps to tighten your skin, clear up breakouts, bumps all over your face, acne scars. It helps to clear up. It gives you this gorgeous glow, as you can see. It really is a good regimen for your skin. It's an anti-inflammatory, so it helps to reduce any inflammation in your skin, and it's just perfect for your skin. So that's why I decided to do it as a soap. I do use it as a mask as well. So I kind of wanted to come back and just let you guys know that the benefits of it. You see how this soap turned out. I mean, it turned out so good. I added a couple of extra oomph in it to give it that extra pop. And I have them available now. They're on the website. So I will link that information out below. And I'll put it there. I mean, you will want to try this out. It's so good for your skin. It's so good for you. You see my other videos. I'm a little lighter than this, but my color haven't came back. So I haven't quite been able to really get it back. So I think this will help brighten me back up and bring my normal skin tone back. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go click that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. I have more tutorials and more how-tos coming up, and you want to see those because your girl gets into business. I'm really going to get into it now and start recording a little bit more than I have. So you get to see the insides of how business is going. So yeah, check out the website. Go purchase your turmeric soap. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.
She's my rock, bust at the hold down the spot.